It's day 3 of Cook with Isha series, and today I'll be sharing with you a recipe that is close to my heart. Being a vegetarian for years, my love for paneer is truly immense, so let's make Paneer Bhurji Sandwich. In a kadhai, put some cumin seeds, let them splutter. Now add chopped onion, freshly chopped tomatoes, turmeric powder, pepper powder. This one is homemade one. Indian cooking is just incomplete without Indian spices, isn't it? This is my variation. You can create your own variation by adding your choice of masalas. It's totally up to you. Sprinkle over some garam masala, saute, mix well, add salt to taste. Here goes the main ingredient, paneer. Add crumpled paneer. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat flame. Looks absolutely scrumptious. Now garnish with fresh coriander leaves. It's almost ready to be served. Switch off the flame and place it aside. Allow it to cool down a bit. Take a spoonful of the paneer bhurji mixture and spread it evenly on the bread slices. Cover with another slice of bread. These protein power pack sandwiches are straight going on the tawa. Over a hot tawa, add some butter and place these sandwiches two at a time. Flip them and cook both the sides till they are a bit golden brown. Don't overcook them, slightly brown is fine. You can either grate Amul cheese or spread some leftover crumpled paneer on the top like this. Simple and quick, made with the ingredients available at home easily. When it comes to serving part, serve it with green chutney or tomato ketchup. Some final touches: food presentation makes your dish look more appealing and aesthetic. I'll see you with another recipe in the next video. Till then, bye bye.